If you've ever tried to download a large file from Google Drive and ended up with a zip file instead of the original file, this video is for you. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to download large files from Google Drive without zipping, so you can get the file in its original format and save time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to know is that Google Drive handles single files and folders differently. If you're downloading one large file, Google Drive usually lets you grab it directly in its original format. That means no zip file, no extra extraction, and no confusing steps afterward. To do that, open Google Drive in your browser and find the file you want to download. Once you see it, right-click on the file. A menu will appear, and from there, click Download. That's it for a single file. Google Drive will begin downloading it immediately, and when it finishes, you'll have the original file saved on your device. This is the easiest method if you only need one item and want to avoid the zip format completely. Now, if you're dealing with a folder or multiple files, this is where things work a little differently. Google Drive typically bundles folders and multiple selected files into a zip file, because it has to package everything together for download. So if your goal is to avoid zip files, the best workaround is to download the files one by one. Here's how to do that. First, open the folder in Google Drive that contains the files you need. Then click on one file to select it. After that, right-click on the file and choose Download. Wait for that file to finish downloading before moving on to the next one. Then repeat the same process for each file you want to save. It may take a little longer, but this method gives you each file individually instead of one compressed zip archive. That can be really useful if you're trying to keep file types separate, avoid extra steps, or just make sure everything downloads in its original format. So let's quickly recap. If it's a single large file, right-click and download it directly from Google Drive. If it's a folder or multiple files, download them one at a time to avoid zip compression. That's the simplest way to get large files from Google Drive without zipping. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.